Hey guys, it's summertime and Ani and I are going on vacation very soon.
And no matter how much we work out, we cannot get rid of these sponges.
Armenian stubborn thighs.
So we're at Laser Away today to do cool sculpting to shrink
these bad boys.
Yeah.
So excited.
Let's
so
do it.
excited. All right, I'm set up in my room. Ani's gonna go to her room. We have our fancy little robes on, and we'll chat with the nurse to see how many inches off our thighs we're gonna lose.
Hopefully 17 inches off of each thigh. Totally unrealistic, but one can hope, right?
But what is it? They say like 25% or
Yes.
something of the whole circumference.
How amazing is that?
Yeah.
I'm ready for skinny thighs.
I am too.
I'm out.
I've never had skinny thighs. I'm like ready.
Bye.
All right, you guys. So they set me up, and obviously we covered myself with they covered me with a sheet because I'm in baby delivery position. But there's no baby coming out. It's just cool sculpting, the aftermath of the baby. And Holly here is the nurse who's looking over me, and I'm gonna ask her a few questions. We put the machine on one area.
Yeah.
Is that area, am I gonna have like an indentation in that area? Is it gonna be even? Like how does the fat disappear?
So generally with cool sculpting, it's not as precise as you think it is. You're not going to have that oval just missing from your side. What it is that it's an applicator, and that applicator sucks up the shape of the applicator, but it also sucks up kind of, around that shape. So it sucks up a little more around the circumference. It freezes that fat. We break it up. Your body takes that dead fat cells and it flushes that out of your system.
Okay.
And it's very diffuse and it's very gradual. So you're not going to wake up the next morning and have your fat missing,
Damn it.
Yeah. it takes typically up to 3 months to see the full results. It's gradual, it's subtle, but it's definitely noticeable. Like you'll feel it when you put on your jeans. You look in the mirror and you're like, I'm noticing that fat loss.
Yeah.
And that's the great thing about it is that it's not to the point where someone's gonna walk up to you and say, well, you look different yesterday.
Yeah.
So that's the beauty of it.
And then how many, is it inches or like what I've heard it's like the circumference? How much should I expect to lose from my thighs?
So each round of applicators, you lose about 25% of fat.
Okay.
So each round you do is typically 25% of fat, the fat that was frozen in that area.
Okay, and how many times do you recommend someone doing it?
It really depends on the person. So there's some people that I would say minimum 2. We have patients that have 1 round. You can go up to 3 or 4. It just depends on what your expectations are and whether or not they're realistic.
And who's a good candidate?
A good candidate for cool sculpting would be someone who's actually fit. They diet, they exercise, they live a really fit lifestyle, and they just have those stubborn pockets of fat that just won't budge.
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah, exactly. You do your Pilates, you eat healthy, you do everything, and you have those stubborn pockets, and that's exactly, that's perfect for cool sculpting. It's like you've done your best, you've worked out, you live that lifestyle, and you're just here getting rid of those stubborn pockets.
Okay.
It's perfect.
And the rule of thumb is you're supposed to be able to grab it, or
it has to be grabbable. That's correct. So typically loose skin is not really great for cool sculpting, and if it's not that grabbable, it might not be too good. If it's a good pinchable pocket, then it's perfect for the suction of the applicator.
Okay.
And that's when we determine whether or not you're a good candidate.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, Nora's in her room, I'm in mine. Let's get our cool sculpting on. So I have 2 machines hooked up to me at the same time, and my thighs are currently in the process of getting slimmer, and the whole process takes about 35 minutes, so I get to watch TV while my thighs get slimmer. This is heaven for me. Count me in. Do you already feel like you have skinnier thighs?
I can't even see my thighs, they're so skinny.
How do you feel?
I feel good. It was interesting.
It was interesting, yes, and it didn't take as long as I thought it was going to take.
No.
It was really nice. I feel like you could totally get in and out during your lunch break and do this.
Yeah, it
Which
was
is really awesome.
because back in the day it used to be longer.
Yeah, it
the
was
treatment.
longer.
Now it's shorter, so that's awesome.
It will take a few weeks to see final results, so don't leave cool sculpting being like, oh my god,
Why am I not
why
skinny?
am I not skinnier? sure.
But
overall, even after one session, you're supposed to see 20 to 25% reduction in overall size.
like in the circumference. So like the
Yes.
circumference of our thigh is supposed to get 25% skinnier.
I cannot wait for that.
We'll leave our after results on Insta story, so make sure you're following us on ModaMob official. Yeah, we'll show you guys the progression on there.
And make sure to follow Laser Away too, so you can see what amazing deals they have.
Yeah, they always
We'll
have
see you
great
guys.
deals.
Bye.
Bye.